Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to see trending in Twitter. So I'll show you how to do it for your laptop computer for the website version, but first of all I'll show you how to do it on the Twitter app for your Android or iOS devices like the iPhone. So first of all, look towards the bottom of the screen where you see a little magnifying glass icon at the bottom there. You're going to want to go ahead and click on that first. Then you'll see it's got like For You at the top there. You're going to want to click on Trending at the top of the page. Then once you've done that, there's your trending page for the Twitter app. Next, for the laptop computer, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Explore on the left hand side of the screen, as you can see me doing there. Once you've clicked Explore, it'll be on the For You thing at the top again. Then you're going to want to go ahead and click Trending at the top, and then that'll be done right there. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the Twitter app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.